Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about Python dictionary. Okay, so this is dictionary also one of the data type in Python, but the difference is in normally list and sets we are going to store data individually. Like let me show you. So here, for example, if I want to create list, I'm going to give the values like this. Okay. And same, if I want to create tuple, so I'm going to create values like this, right? But here in dictionaries, we are going to have key value pairs. For example, I have a list, okay? And there I gave the values like Anusha and 19 and 24. So like this, I gave the values. But here, I can't recognize, right? This is the name and this is the marks. This is the years. Like that, sometimes we can't recognize if we use list or tuple like that. So we can't recognize, right? So in such a cases, we are going to use dictionary where we can have key value pairs. Okay. Let's create one dictionary here. Okay. So this is my dictionary and we should use curly brackets here. Okay. Curly brackets and then see, we are going to use curly brackets for sets as well. Okay. But the difference is here we are going to have key value pairs. There in sets we are going to have individual values. Now name. What is the name? And we should separate those key value pairs with help of comma, and key and value we are going to separate with colon. Then I want to give my marks, and this is so marks is my key and value is 90. Okay, and then age. I see. So if you like, you can have except list, you can have any key names. Okay, key names, anything you can take. So here are all the key names I took as in strings, right? You can take integers also like this. So one is my key and value I am assigning as 10. So you can have any type of data as key except list. Why? Because list is mutable, right? So the data type we can't use as key name. Okay, you can have that as value, but you can't take list name as or list type as key in dictionary. Okay, any data type you can take as key except list name. Okay, except list you can take any type of data as key, and key should be unique. Okay, see, now I have name, key. Again, I can't take the name as a key. Okay, so duplicate keys are not allowed, but duplicate values are allowed. Okay, duplicate values are allowed, but duplicate names are not, sorry, duplicate keys are not allowed. For example, 90. So see, here I will take 2 as key and I will give the same value. It will accept. Okay, duplicate keys are not allowed. Duplicate values are allowed in dictionary. So finally, what is dictionary? Dictionary in Python is a collection of key values which, unlike other data types, which hold only a single value as an element. So in list, in tuple and all, we are going to have single value as an element. See, this is list, right? Manasa is one element, 90 is one element, 24 is an element. Here you are having single value. But when you come to dictionary, this is one, this is one. Total, the key value pair we are going to consider as element. Marks and 90 is one element. Age and 24 is one element. 1 and 10 is one element. 2 and 90 is one element. Okay. Now, In list, in tuple, we used indexes to access the elements. In dictionary, we are going to use keys to access the values. Now I want to print Manasa. So Manasa is the value. And what is the key assigned to that? Name is the key assigned to the value Manasa. So you need to give like this print. So here also you need to use the square brackets for index. And you should give the key. Now if you run, Python X.py. See, it printed Manasa. Okay, so in Python dictionaries, if you want to access the values, you should use the keys. And if you give print d index of 1, what is the value assigned for the key 1? 10 is the value. So if you run and you will give, okay, give one key name which doesn't exist in the dictionary. So I don't have 3 as a key. If I check that, it will give you key error. Normally in list and tuple, we got index error. In the same way, in dictionary, if you try to access the value that assigned to a key, which doesn't exist in the dictionary, it will give you key error. That key, particular key is not there in the dictionary. Okay. This is how we can access elements in dictionary. Okay. And how we can add elements to a dictionary. Okay. So dictionary also mutable. Mutable means we can modify the data, right? So we can add data. How we can add data? Okay. Let's see how we can do. In two ways we can do that. Okay. Now I want to create the key is 3. Okay. My key is 3 and the value I want to assign that for is Python. Okay, my key is 3 and value I want to assign Python. So simply you can do assignment. So normally we know how to assign a value to a element, right? To a variable, right? In the same way, okay? So the difference is here you should give the dictionary name and index you should give the key. Your key name you should give and after equals you should give the value. This is how you can add a element to the dictionary. Now, if you print your dictionary at see now 3 assigned. So my key is 3 and value Python assigned to that. This is how we can create. So one more is there. Okay, one more method is there. So now my key I want as d dot update. One second, guys. Okay, so update method. Okay, update method you can use. Inside this, you should give the key value pair. That also need to be a dictionary. Okay, so update. It's something like extending list. You know, right? Extending list. So it's something like that only. Inside update, you should give only one parameter. So we are going to pass the values in dictionary. Okay, see. This is my update. Inside that, in curly brackets, I am going to give the data. Name 1. See, I have name. So I am giving name 1. I am assigning the name. I am giving some value here. Ritika. So save it and now print it. Okay. Print D. See guys. Now you can see, right? Name 1. Ritvika added. So in these two ways, you can add elements to the dictionary. See, if you do assignment like this, you can add one, right? If you use this update, you can add multiple key value pairs. Name to So I'm assigning value to this. See, now if you run, see, it assigned, it added the 3 key value pairs to the dictionary. Okay, this is how we can do. We can add elements to the dictionary. Okay, in 2 ways we can do. So accessing Python, accessing dictionary elements we saw, and deleting. Okay, now I want to delete. Okay, I want to delete one key value pair. How we can do? We can use, see, I think the method is here, del, then your dictionary name. Inside the square brackets, you should give the key that you want to delete. Okay, so now I want to delete name one. What is there in name one, Ritvika? So this key value pair I want to delete. Okay, or else let me comment all these things. Okay, so now this is my dictionary. I want to delete name. Means name and Manasa. This key value pair I want to delete. So delete function, and then my dictionary name is D, and then key is name. Save it. After deleting, print the dictionary. See, now it got deleted. Name got deleted. See, this is before deletion. After deletion, name Manasa, that key value pair got deleted. Okay, this is how we can delete a particular key value pair in dictionary using this del. Okay, now I want to clear all the elements. Okay, all the key value pairs. So that empty dictionary I want, means I want to remove all the key value pairs. You can use this clear. See, now whenever you did this clear, it will remove all the key value pairs and it will return empty dictionary. If you perform the clear and list, same thing, it will remove all the elements and it will remove empty list. In the same way, it will remove all the key value pairs and it will return empty dictionary for you. This is clear. Okay, and copy. So for example, I want 2 instances. Okay, 2 instances with same values. Okay, at the time you can use copy. My new dictionary name is D1. Just you can do D dot copy. Okay, if you print the D1, there will be same values. In both the dictionaries, the values will be same. So here we are just copying the key value pairs from one dictionary to another dictionary using this copy method. Okay, then you have get. Now we saw, right, how to access the elements from dictionary. So this we saw. So there is one more way. Okay. So whenever you did, let me show you the difference. Print. So I don't have 3 key, right? Whenever I run it, it's going to give me error, right? Key error it's going to give. If you use, so if you don't want to get this key error, so if that value is not there, means if the key is not there, it should return you none, something none or empty, like that it should return. Because whenever we do this directly in programs, if you get such an exception, it won't run the remaining code. So that will be problematic for us. So what you can do, you can use get method. Okay, d dot get. Here you can give the key name. Now if you run, it will give you none. See, let me comment this for you so that you can understand. See, now it returned none. Previously, what it returned when you access directly without get method, it gave you key error. But whenever you will try to do that with the help of get, if the particular key is not there, it's going to return you none. Okay, it's going to return you none. That is the difference. Okay, and items. Okay, so if you do d dot items, let's see what it will be. See, in dictionary, we have key value pairs, right? So instead of every time calling key value pair, we can simply call that as item. Item means there will be key and there will be value. So key value pair we are going to call as item. Okay. Now if you give d dot items, my dictionary name dot items. Now items is one of the dictionary method. See what it gave? It's tuple, right? So name and Manasa. Marks 90, A's 24, 110, 290. Means each key value pair, it will convert into a tuple and all the tuples, it's going to return in a list format. See, you can see, right? List. Inside list, you have each key value pair in a tuple. So it will return list of tuples with key value pairs whenever you did items. Okay. Then if you want to get only keys, list of keys if you want, simply you can do keys d dot keys means dictionary name dot keys method. See now it returned list of keys name, marks, age, 1, 2. These are my keys. Now I want to get only values, not the keys. So if you want to get only values, okay, just if you run, see now this time it returned only values. Manasa 90, 24, 10, 90. These are the values. Okay. Items will give you list of tuples with key values. Okay. Keys method will return list of keys and values method will return list of values. Okay. And update visa. Inside this, see the dictionary, the what is the parameter type should be dictionary only. So in update method, you should give dictionary only. Okay. Values visa and so we can remove the item in two ways. One we saw with the del keyword. One more is pop. Okay. With pop also, we can remove the specified key. Just give d dot pop. What is the key I want to delete? I want to delete marks. Okay. Let us print before pop and after pop. Print. Now if you run, see now marks got deleted, right? See, marks got deleted. So you can use del keyword to delete or you can use pop. Okay. And pop item removes the last inserted key value pair. So for this pop item, you no need to pass any parameter. Okay. Simply if you do pop, pop item. So for pop, normally if you won't pass any value now, it will remove the last one. Did not has no attribute pop item. Sorry, it's I gave as capital. It should be case sensitive, right? We discussed, right? It's going to, if you change even one character from lowercase to uppercase, it's going to consider that as a new variable. Okay. Now see, pop means what it did, pop item, it removed the last key value pair. If you won't pass anything to this pop item, it will remove the last key value pair from the dictionary. Okay. And set the key to the default value. The key is not specified in the dictionary. Dict has key. Okay. So I will tell you. Dict has key. Okay. This has key. It will return true if the particular key exists in the dictionary. If the key is not there in the dictionary, it's going to return you false. See, let's check. Has key, right? So I want to check has dot has underscore key. I want to check whether the key one exists in my dictionary or not. What's wrong here? Big data has key. Let me again, right? Second guys. Let me check. As underscore key. So this is the actual functionality. Okay, guys, sorry. So this hash key we have in Python 2. In Python 3, we don't have this hash key function. So in Python 3, hash key doesn't support. Okay. Hmm. Python 3, it got removed. Got removed. So it won't support in Python 3, okay? And set default. Set the key to the default value if the key is not specified in the dictionary. Okay. So for example, I'm not sure this also they have or they removed. Let's just check. I think that's not there. So I should give some value here. Yeah, takes two arguments. It's no keyword arguments. Okay, set default is there. So for set default, you should pass some default value. So for this particular key, if the key doesn't exist now, then it will have this default value. If I give Python, that will become default value. If you don't have that key, see, for example, if you already have that key, name one. For that I will give Ritvika. So this key already there. And at the time it won't override. Okay, so what this set default is used for, if you don't have that particular key in the dictionary, it will set the default value. So you should pass two parameters, one is key and one is value. If particular key is not there, it will assign the default value to this key. If that key already exists, it won't override the value. If the particular key is not there, then it will set the default value. This is set default. Okay, and get method we already saw is used to get the specified key value. Okay, that's it. These are the dictionary methods.